Hi, I'm Ben Beatty, Chief Health Officer at BGSU, and here with our weekly health update. So when we look at the last reporting period that we're updating our dashboard for this most recent week, we've seen a slight increase of cases compared to the week previously. As we start to navigate these next several days, we're really watching the trends to see if our daily case average continues to go up, but it would be nice to see it to trend downwards. We all have some control in our day-to-day lives to make that happen. We can keep our social circles very small so that those individuals that we spend time in close contact with is a limited number. When the social circle starts to get much larger, that's where we see higher risk behaviors, where individuals are more likely to have to isolate because they contract the virus or go into quarantine because they were exposed to somebody that had the virus. So we want to remind everybody to work to keep your social circles small. And then as you socialize with other people, just do it at that 6 feet of distance. We really want to only be within 6 feet of individuals that we truly care about, potentially live with, family members. Those are the people that we want to spend those most intimate contacts with. Other people, we can do that at a distance and still socialize and have those great social experiences. And so thank you for all that you're doing to stop the spread.